Welcome back to Animal Time, your go-to show for info on anything that barks, meows, moves, or oinks in Mound, Minnesota. Sherry Bunlington here, and as always, I'm joined by my lovely wife and co-host, Barb Bunlington.
Good morning, Minnesota.
That's enough, honey. Today's episode is very special because we're going to be focusing on rainforest creatures. As you know, here at Animal Time, we are, as the kids would say, balling on a budget. So my wife is going to be using her magnificent art skills to bring these creatures to life. First up, we have the Ringtailed Lemur. Crazy, isn't it? It's like the lemur is actually here.
Here's a fun fact you might
Oh,
not
that's
know.
my job, honey. You just provide the art. Ringtailed lemurs are diurnal, which means they are active during daylight hours.
Just like you and me.
I'm supposed to say that. You know how long it took me to come up with that?
Well, I came up with it.
Next up, we have the Panther Chameleon. These animals change their colors to blend in with their surroundings. Show us what that's like, Barb.
Well, first, you're gonna take some blue.
I said, show us. Just show us, Barb. Just show us. Come on, honey. Come on. Come on, honey. Come on. Come on.
There you go, purple.
Wow! Crazy, isn't it? Our next animal up is the Capybara. I believe Barb has another artist rendering for us here.
You didn't tell me to make anything for the capybara.
Seriously? You didn't make anything for the capybara? You have ruined this entire episode!
Okay, no, you know what? You knew I never wanted to do this stupid show.
You are nothing without Animal Time, your go-to show for info on anything that barks, meows, moves, or oinks in Mound, Minnesota!
I gave up all my dreams for you and this stupid show. I wanted to be an artist.
But you are an artist.
No,
sweetheart.
no, I'm not. I had to drop out of art school to stay home and raise Addison after we adopted her so you could go out and do this disaster of an animal show. There aren't even animals.
You don't need art school to be an artist, honey.
Yes, I do, you idiot. Have you seen my drawings? This is supposed to be a starfish. I'm awful. I just want this to be one.
Stop it, Mom and Mommy. I hate this. I hate it when you two fight.
Geez, so dramatic.
Not spicy enough.